Hi guys, let me show how 3 plus 3 equal to 7. Then we know 0 will be equal to 0. And then if you, in your imagination, take 18, negative 18 equal to this 0, it stands by this 0, and then equal is this. And then 21, negative 21 stand with this 0. Then, 6 times 3 equal to 18, and negative 6 times 3 equal to this 18 equal, this is equal, and this stand by this standing with this. 21 equal to 7 times 3, this is the stand of this, negative 7 times 3, this stand for this. And then here, as you see, we have 6. We write 6 to minimize the size of the numbers. Then we have 3, negative 3. We write 3, negative 3. If we multiply this, we can find this and this equal. This is the equal sign. We have 7 and 7. We write 7 bracket 3, negative 3. 3, negative 3. And you see we have 3, negative 3 and 3, negative 3 in both sides. We cancel this, and this will be equal to 0 because there is the equal sign between them. And then we left with 6 equal 7. And we know that 6 equal to 3 plus 3. Then 3 plus 3 equal to 7. We call this the proof. Funny math calculation. Thank you for watching.